Hi guys, today I want to show you how to use WeTransfer. So WeTransfer is a file sharing platform that you can use to share big files with your colleagues' emails. So first head over to Google and type in WeTransfer. Now just head over to the first link, then WeTransfer official website. Now you will be asked to look into your account. So you will be asked to log in to your account. Click on Login. Now hit Continue with Google. It shows you your primary Google account and allow access to it. Now to email files and send them, you have to put the recipient email here, your email here, and you can add files from this blue button, Add Files here. So you can either choose one single file or you can choose a folder. You put all your files in one folder and click on Add Folder to load the folder here. And after that, you can select the how many days to keep your email before it should be deleted in WeTransfer. You can choose 3 days, 1 day, keep it forever, and after you're done with these options, click on Transfer. And that's it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment.